Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be opening up 12 booster packs that are Sun and Moon, Unbroken Bonds, and Unified Minds. So we hope that we can get 4 or at least 3 rares on all of these 12 booster packs, and we'll see how it goes. So we're gonna start off with the first booster pack. Dark Energy, Gabite, Cherish Ball, Attack Switch, Ryola, Epirion, Joltik, Dratini, wait, change this. Youngers, a reverse Dratini, and another circuitry.
Hyper Beast.
Ultra Beast. Something. Oh. Okay, Electric Energy, Metapod, a Lily, a Boldor, a Surskit, Growlithe, Crabrawler, Marini, Rock and Roll, I think, a Reverse Pinsir, and Incineroar. Fighting type energy, Vigoroth, Aldino, Thundurus, Litwick, Drillbur, Slakoth, Fungus, Honedge, Slazzle, Metachan. Here's the reverse. This is over here. Okay. Cinnamon booster pack. Electric type, Wickle, I think, Viper, a Spatulus, Duskull, Oddish, Tynamo, a Mudbray, Stuffle, Reverse Charmander, a Tangrowth. Fairy Energy, Electric, Reset Stamp, Heracross, Numel, Axu, Finneon, Stunfish, Gable. Ooh, Reverse Magnezone, and a Latios. This is very rare, by the way. Dark Energy, Fracture, Elgin, Pyukumuku, Hoot, Carablast, Honedge, Pikachu, a a Pidove, reverse Pidove, another Umbreon Dark Cry.
Umbreon and Darkrai.
Yes.
Y no nos traigamos las sleeves.
Oh. Pues sí tienes el pan.
Oh, man.
Steel type energy. Okay. A trainer. Hapu, Magneton, Fomantis, Ryola, Perlion, Joltik, Dratini, Reverse Excalibur, and another Latias.
2 Latias today.
Come on, 3 more packs.
T-Bows.
Water type, Ringing Bell, Blaney's Quiz Show, Oranguru, Fletchlander, Stunfish, Onyx, Finneon, Alolan Grimer, Reverse Fletchlander. Secret Rare!
Iron Bomb!
Finally!
Yes!
Finally we got a secret rare!
First.
Oh my god. My wish finally came true. Finally, I got a secret rare.
Oh, we don't have the sleeves.
Oh, we do have the binder still. Oh, here's another pack. I didn't know that. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's 2. Oh, I saw something good. I saw something good. Dark Energy, Misty's Favor, Noctowl, Tranquil, Carablast, Honage, Pikachu, Pidove, Poipole, Reverse Tynamo, Meganado GX for full art. Let's go. Oh my god, we're getting so many good packs today. So many good cards. I think you guys have been crossing your fingers. Which is good because we need those rares. Okay. Fire type energy, Chatot, Frogadier, Zubat, Jigglypuff, Bellsprout, Diglett, Poliwag, Reverse Gligar. Oh, Kyron. Ah, 2 more packs. Can we get the Charizard and Reshiram on the last one? Because I am so curious. Curious. But how to still open it? One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so Steel type energy. Ooh, energy recycler. Max Potion, Clefable, Bellsprout, Cottony, Alolan Sandshrew, Mudbray, Alolan Geodude, Oricorio, Reverse, Victory Bell for the oh my god, last pack. Come on. Cross your fingers, guys. 4. I don't want to look. Fire type energy, Koga's Trap, Dust Island, Pyukumuku, Esper, Squirtle, Rhyhorn, Rattata, Goldeen, Reverse Seal. Oh, Meowstic. Pretty good, actually. Okay, so we got a secret rare Giant Bomb, Umbreon Darkrai, and we got the Meganado full art, which is actually good because I've always wanted a secret rare, and we finally have one.